Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Something no one expects or wants. Removing a snagged tree, especially near a high-voltage power line, requires professional expertise. Dead trees can be unpredictable, posing a risk of falling and causing injury or damage. Safety is crucial in these situations. A dangerous situation unfolded before the wedge could be inserted. To control the direction of the fall, the tree split vertically and fell. The chill hole failed, leading to a serious felling mishap. Thankfully, no accidents occurred. Think a downed tree is no big deal? Think again, it's a hidden hazard waiting to trip you up. Have you seen the T4 in action? It's a beast in the snow. No issue with heavy loads. Easy as pie, this machine is unstoppable. What do you think? Ready for some serious horsepower? What these trucks are really capable of. Who do you think will take the win? Whoa, hold on. Cutting down trees? No, this is way more intense than it looks. Ever watched a pro logger work? It's mesmerizing. They size up a tree like they're reading its mind, knowing exactly where it'll fall. Keeps them safe, and the crew too, out of harm's way. That's skill. Sometimes it's best to leave things to the professionals. But hey, at least we've got a story to tell, right? Isn't that amazing? Think of all the things we can create from wood. This machine helps us reach the good stuff faster, so we can build homes, furniture, and much more. Cutting down trees is hard work, even for machines. I think the crane operator owes this guy a huge apology. This lumberjack is seriously impressive. He gives me total warrior vibes. The way he took down that massive 5-foot hemlock. Pure skill and experience. The sights and sounds were just incredible. You guys are gonna love this. We can try to control the direction, plan and strategize, but ultimately, the tree decides its fate. Let's take a look at something impressive. Let's compare to elite chainsaws. The Timber X900 and the Huskmaster 750 Pro. Both are high-end models with distinct advantages. The Timber X900 excels in torque. The Huskmaster focuses on lightweight efficiency. Its advanced fuel system enhances runtime and emissions. This isn't merely draping a tarp. It's a precise operation, crucial for load stability during transport, on demanding off-highway terrain. The act of throwing the wrappers, while seemingly simple, it requires considerable skill and experience, especially considering the height and uneven surface of the log pile. That's thrilling, right everyone? The driver's skills are top-notch, and their nerves of steel are incredible. Not everyone can do that. Now that's impressive. Navigating those inclines with that weight is no small task. The driver's expertise was clear, and the truck's power was undeniable. This isn't your typical maritime accident. We're talking about a giant log carrier, the Jody F. It grounded shortly after leaving the wharf. Think of the scale of the salvage operation. Helicopters, tugboats, weeks of relentless work, a textbook case of maritime recovery. Drop a 1 in the comments if this video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative passion. The Ficken FTX1 50-track mulcher dominates the toughest terrain. High-strength steel, adjustable hydraulics, and in-cab control provide unmatched power and precision. Conquer any challenge. Don't underestimate the Belarus and TZ1000 to 121-point tractor. Its custom-built trailer make it a logging powerhouse, proving that ingenuity and adaptability often outperform expensive specialized equipment. This is insane. This John Deere 1270G with the H4 15 head is a monster. I can't even. The power, the efficiency, it's off the charts. But hold on to your hats, folks, because the price is wild too. $437,000 for a brand new one. But don't worry, you can buy a pre-owned one for much less. Prices range from $175,000 to $245,000. This is no joke. The DAF 180D forestry mulcher is the ultimate land clearing machine. It's a powerhouse that can tackle anything in its path. Durability? Check. Performance? Check. Versatility? You got it. This machine is a game changer. This situation shows the importance of staying calm. Under pressure, the driver encountered an obstacle, assessed the situation, and found a solution. It's a testament to skill and composure, a valuable lesson for all of us. With the Woodcracker G1650, It's not just about the size though. That 1650mm working width is impressive. It's about the intelligent design and minimizes downtime. This rake is built for the long haul that can withstand the toughest conditions. We all know time is money, right? That's why you need the Vermeer WC-500TX. This chipper is all about maximizing your productivity. With a 600 horsepower engine and compact design, you can clear land faster than ever before. The smart crush system and variable speed and feed keep things moving smoothly, no matter the job. Plus, it's designed for easy maintenance, so you can spend less time wrenching and more time working. Very cool, huh? This is the Tatra Phoenix 8x8, and let me tell you, this thing is a beast. It's got a crazy suspension system that keeps it stable, no matter what. And the power. Oh, the power. We're talking serious horsepower here. This truck can climb mountains, cross rivers, and conquer any terrain you throw at it. It's the ultimate off-road machine. Now this is what I call efficient land clearing. The Woodcracker G1-50, attached to a Hyundai Roebuck 60, effortlessly plucks those pesky stumps right out of the ground. It's a game changer, folks. No more back-breaking labor, just smooth, clean extraction. Your land will be ready for new beginnings in no time. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. The Sydney TB1000 Tree Shear does it all. Fell, section, and clear trees with ease. Rotate the head 100 degrees for ultimate flexibility. Lighter and more compact, perfect for your mini excavators and backhoes. Handles 10-inch hardwoods. Comes with a universal mounting plate. Need a custom mount? No problem. For just $8,880, the TB1000 is the ultimate solution. Modern logging faces continuous obstacles. Speed, accuracy, and environmental responsibility. The Titan X40 harvester, equipped with the RazorCut 8000 saw head, solves these issues. The X40 harvester features a 4-wheel drive system for stability, while the RazorCut saw ensures precision cutting, optimizing both efficiency and output. This machine boosts productivity while minimizing environmental footprint, a clear advantage. Incredible, this debarking machine dominates the logs. It strips bark like a predator in action, an astonishing display of raw power. Unbelievable. Seeing the SX Turbo 900 in action was breathtaking. It shredded a massive stump in mere seconds. One moment it was there, the next completely gone. The minimal ground disturbance is incredible. The engineering on this machine is just mind-blowing. This is the future of urban clearing, folks. The simplicity of this design are truly impressive, while manual splitting with an axe remains viable. For able-bodied individuals, expenditure and labor costs, the potential reduction in electricity consumption by employing piercers is substantial. This translates to considerable long-term savings and increased operational efficiency. Alright folks, Take a look at this. What do you think? Could you drive through this road? I'm guessing probably not. It's pretty rough out there, but these guys are tackling it head-on. They're using a winch to tow a loaded timber truck. Now, who here has ever used a winch before? Let me see those hands. It's a powerful tool, isn't it? In the wood products industry, moisture content is a constant challenge. Too much moisture leads to defects, while too little can cause brittleness. The video of the TS Dry line at Beasley Forest Products in Hazelhurst, Georgia, demonstrates a solution to this problem by implementing TS equipment in their complete dry production line, is able to precisely control the drying process, ensuring consistent quality and minimizing waste. This is a prime example of how technology can address critical challenges in manufacturing. This massive log truck, we're talking huge, was completely bogged down in the sand, buried right up to its axles. It was a real sight. They had to bring in not one, but two scooters, those powerful logging machines, to finally get it unstuck. Makes you wonder how it even got in that mess in the first place. This meticulously engineered represents a paradigm shift in firewood processing. Its intelligent design maximizes efficiency, enabling the user to process a cubic meter of firewood is processed in just 6 minutes. Precise cutting ensures consistent 33 centimeters lengths, perfect for stacking and storage. Its sturdy build and smart safety features make this an excellent choice for both commercial and home firewood processing. Wow, look at this. This guy built his own sawmill from scratch. It looks so simple, just a bed frame, an engine, and a saw blade, but it works like a charm. I can't believe how smoothly it cuts through the logs. The only area for improvement is the log loading process. A hydraulic or powered system could make it smoother, taking this build to the next level. The Ransom RS H40 stump grinder is designed for compact excavators. But don't be fooled. This beast can handle massive stumps with ease. Don't believe it? Watch this video. I've seen a lot of chippers, but this Bandit 550T is something else. With its 49 horsepower cooler engine, it has the power to handle whatever you throw at it. Sure, $34,950 might seem like a lot, but for serious professionals demanding the best, it's an investment that pays off for years. Now, this is what I call a logging machine, the Timber Pro TB830, with its powerful TDS 20 to head, conquers the forest effortlessly. Just as Todd Mahalko described, it's a true engineering marvel, a testament to innovation. Looking for wood chipping power that's unmatched? The PTH 1200 820ths hacker truck is the answer. With an 820mm drum and a 12mm feeding mouth, it easily processes massive volumes, generating up to 180 cubic meters of chips per hour. What's more, Tesla Auto's design allows it to run on the truck's own engine, ensuring remarkable versatility. minimal upkeep, and top-notch performance anywhere. Contractors appreciate its reliability and maneuverability on any job site. Represents a major leap in forestry technology. Its active frame uses a unique hydraulic system to offer exceptional stability on uneven ground. The C5 crane reaches up to 10 meters and lifts up to 1,000 kilograms. The H8 head is equipped with a high-performance saw unit. It can fell trees up to 70 centimeters in diameter. These features, combined, boost productivity, reduce downtime, and improve operator safety. Taking down a giant like this is thrilling, no doubt, but let's be clear, felling a tree this size is serious business. It's far more difficult and dangerous than most people realize. Safety must always be the top priority. Ever seen a tractor pull out a stump like it's a dandelion? This Deutz-Fahr Agritron TTV630, with its 203 horsepower engine, made it look effortless. Anyone here struggled with stubborn stumps? You know the pain, right? Well, this machine tells a different story. We're pretty lucky that nature doesn't always throw its full force at us. Well, what if we're here? If I'm not mistaken, that's a Kenworth T88OS. Observe the raw power as it conquers that grade. Those massive 35-pound logs in tow. It's a testament to engineering prowess, wouldn't you say? This pine tree stood dangerously close to a water pipeline. Its roots caused structural issues underground. A standard cutting method could have led to pipe damage, so the team used a plunge cut technique. This method quickly neutralizes internal stress, reducing risks to nearby infrastructure. This will be an exciting process. Have you ever wondered about sawmill leftovers? Introducing the BX Pro 900 Shredder, a true powerhouse. This machine processes all wood waste, from small debris to entire logs, converting them into uniform chips. Watching it work is mesmerizing. The wood enters and emerges as perfectly sized material, ready for multiple applications. This showcases the life cycle of timber, from forest to industry. Ever seen a log so big, you wondered how anyone could cut it? Well, Woodmiser has the answer. The WM1000. This machine is a beast. It handles logs up to 67 inches in diameter. That's huge, but it's not just about size. It's about efficiency. The thin curved blade means less sawdust and more usable lumber. What do you think about that? More bang for your buck, and with automated controls, it's easier to operate than you might think. This isn't your grandpa's sawmill. It's a modern marvel of timber processing. Wow, just look at this thing go. It's incredible how this drum chipper just eats up everything in its path. From massive tree trunks to delicate branches, it's like it doesn't even notice the difference. It just chews it all up and spits out these perfect wood chips. The power and efficiency are truly mind-blowing. Chains and tires, it's like a real-life physics lesson, using leverage to wrestle that stump out of the ground. But here's the thing that got me thinking. What if the chain breaks? That's a lot of force suddenly released. It's like a slingshot gone wild. I've seen this H415 in action, and it's mind-blowing. It just tears through these massive trees like they're nothing. I mean, 750 millimeter diameter. That's insane. The power is undeniable. The EPC400 firewood processor is the pinnacle of engineering in wood processing. Its powerful hydraulic system, combined with high-torque cutting, makes it capable of handling logs up to 470 millimeters in diameter. This machine is not just about strength, it's about precision and efficiency. The EPC400's design includes advanced material handling features, allowing seamless processing of short, curved, and even sawmill waste, maximizing resource use and minimizing downtime. From a technical perspective, the EPC400 delivers unmatched performance. The Genzem 593R truck is a game changer in the wood processing industry with an impressive 300 liters per hour capacity and 1.4 meters intake. It's perfect for a variety of applications, whether you're running a small heating plant or a large-scale biomass operation. This machine delivers, and with compatibility for 3-axle trucks, you'll maximize productivity and minimize downtime. I don't know about you, all day long, something about seeing those logs disappear is just mesmerizing. Check out this video. It's full of awesome chipper action that'll keep you hooked. Now what we're seeing here is the result of dedication and craftsmanship. Notice how effortlessly he handles the tools. That's years of experience talking. This isn't something you learn overnight. It's a testament to patience and persistence. Imagine this. You're sitting comfortably in your skid steer cabin, enjoying a cup of coffee with the Han HFP 16.0 Pro. No more back-breaking labor, no more juggling chainsaws, just smooth, efficient firewood production all day long. That's the magic of the Han HFP 16.0 Pro. Safety is the top priority, folks. Ready to break free from the daily grind? Let the beauty of the Slovakian forest surround you. In this peaceful video, follow the journey of timber from Pila, Grnovic district, to its final destination, pure relaxation. The process is truly fascinating. Massive logs are handled with ease, thanks to powerful cranes. A specialized machine quickly removes the bark, preparing the logs for the next step. The logs are then moved along a conveyor belt to the cutting area, where industrial sauce efficiently slices them into lumber. The final step involves loading the lumber onto trucks for delivery. Check out this beast. The Bandit 550T is a wood chipper's dream. That 49 horsepower Kohler engine sounds amazing. And those teeth, forget about it. They shred through wood like nobody's business. Yeah, it's got a hefty price tag at $34,950, but you're getting what you pay for. Pure power and performance. This machine is an absolute game changer. Envision this, a fully loaded logging truck coming down a steep mountain grade. The air fills with a thick swirling dust cloud, obscuring the scene in a chaotic, display of raw power and impending danger. This is really impressive, but to be honest, I'm quite concerned about the machinery of this. Franklin. The lumber industry has undergone a revolution in recent decades, transforming the way we process wood. In this exploration, we will examine the key stages of lumber production. Prepare to gain a deeper understanding of this essential industry. The Excavator Biber 84 equipped with the K6 rotor. In wood chipping operations, the K6 rotor's design ensures precise cutting geometry and minimal fine material generation. This enhances boiler efficiency and reduces dust. The Biber 84's robust construction contribute to its long-term reliability. This is the Frontier OS-7, and let me tell you, it's a beast. This sawmill is compact, powerful, and ready to tackle any job you throw at it. But here's the best part. It's priced right, for about $3,647, turning out lumber like a pro. Check this out, this is the Tatra Phoenix 8x8, and it's an absolute beast. Look at that suspension system. It's insane. This thing can climb anything, go anywhere, and the power. Whoa, it'll blow you away. Imagine yourself behind the wheel, conquering the world. This truck is the great adventure machine. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.